All right, so this coloring page was a little bit more complicated than what I realized when I was preparing our binder. So some of these I'm going to have to just give you the answers to. So number one, elements in the same group have the same number of protons, electrons, or valence electrons. And the answer to this one is valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost layer of the electron arrangement, but we're not getting into that yet, so don't worry about if you didn't know that. Number two, an atom's atomic number is its number of, oh goody, this one we know. We learned that atomic number equals the number of protons, which equals the number of electrons. And here, they did not give us plain electrons as an example, as a choice. They gave us valence electrons, which is different. So that's not the answer. Protons is our answer of what the atomic number is equal to. Number three, which of the following is an alkali metal? If we check on our periodic table, our alkali metals are here in group 1. So our choices were calcium, sodium, or mercury. Calcium is right here. That's not in group 1. Sodium is, and let's just double check. Mercury is over here. That's not group 1. So sodium is an alkali metal, and that's going to be our answer for number 3. Alkali metals are extremely reactive because they have blank. Again, you don't know this one. We're going to say that alkali, or I'm just going to tell you that it's because they have 1 valence electrons. Elements that conduct heat and electricity under some conditions. So we learned about these in class and we called them metalloids. And they can also be known as semiconductors because semi means part or some. Up here for number 6, iodine would have chemical properties most like blank. Let's look at our periodic table and find iodine real quick. Erase our old stuff. So iodine is right here. It's number 53, and we can see that it's used as a disinfectant. So when we're looking at things that have similar properties, they're going to be ones that are found in the same group usually. So our choices for this one were manganese, which is over here and is a transition metal. That's not going to be it. We also have a choice of fluorine, which is up here. That one might be it, but let's just double check. And our last one is tellurium, which is, I always have trouble trying to find this one. Oh, right here, which is next to it. And that is in the oxygen group, not the halogens. So because because iodine and fluorine both are in the same group, they are the ones that are going to have similar characteristics. Elements on the far left of the periodic table have a tendency to do what during chemical reactions? Again, we don't need to learn about this one. I'm not going to stress. I'm just going to let you know that they have a tendency to lose electrons. Number 8, which of the following elements is a member of the halogen family and is located in period 3? So we want period 3. So period 3, which is right here, and the halogen family, which I look across the top, is right here. So that's going to be chlorine. Chlorine is in group 17 and period 3. So that was chlorine. Which group of elements on the periodic table is the least reactive? And again, you don't need to, I'm not expecting you to know this one. I'm just going to tell you that it is group 18. And number 10, which group contains elements whose atoms have 6 electrons in their outer level? You don't need to know this one, so I'm going to tell you that that is group 16. There you go, guys. You can take a few minutes to color in that page if you want. I can't wait to see your creations.